So on my last ride, I was testing the LED bulbs that I got that were garbage, and just discovered that the rear brake light switch is not working very well at all. I'll just examine the wires, pull them off and have a look. I think they've maybe been on and off too many times over the years. And yes, and that, exactly that. So it's just come out. Let's see, have we got enough wire? Yes, we've got enough wire. That's an angled spade. Oh, that's clipped together. That's a little clipped piece. Interesting. There we go. Well, that's in perfect condition, apart from cleaning. So I'll just clean that up. We'll take this one off as well. Yeah, little holder with a little clip either side. I really need to do both of them the same amount, otherwise one takes all the pull. Hoping I can just get that out. It's not soldered or anything. Little bird there just peeps all day. As I say, I want them to be the same length again. Let's clean that up. I'll use this, love this tool, it's so useful. Only going to need about that much. It'll only just need enough to go into the little crimpy bit. So, as for these bits, I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I may use these. So let me splay those bits there. I have to try and get these little crimps apart again, get the copper out, get it far enough splayed again so that I can crimp it down again nicely. Because obviously I'm not going to find these bits all that soon. Now to hold it, I think the best thing is probably going to be something like that, where I whack that in there, each side. But how can I do that safely? Something like that. There we go. It's not clamped, but it's not bad. Let's try it. Perfect. Perfect. There we go, all the bits fall out. Out they go. I'll splay it a bit further, a little bit further. There we go. Not quite as easy to get into that side, but there we go. Heavy duty, these old Spade plugs, they're so good. So what's the best way to do this? Let me get the flat ones. Oh, I see, I've caused that bit there to get bent upwards. Okay, that's fine. I shall bend it back. Just got to flatten that out. It's the best way to do that. Need a sharp edge. There we go. Would be nice to get in there a bit more and splay them apart a little bit further. Sort of means like that. What can I run it up against? What if I put this in here what if I put that in there? Yes. Ah, right. Get it around the this thing and squeeze it in such a way that it causes it to splay apart. Yep. Okay, in fact, then I can get under there with these. Yep. Perfect. That's what we wanted. I don't know if it's visible, but that end and that end just splayed apart, just enough. So I can crimp it all back down again later. Now I'm going to clean this up. I'll do the other one first. In fact, if I hold it like that, then I've got an excellent surface. There we go. Yep, it's even better. All right. Good. Very happy with that. Gonna do these with my fiberglass pen here. This thing, which if this video ever gets anywhere, you may have seen this pen used on a previous video for cleaning. Only downside of this pen is you sometimes spend the next couple of days with little bits of fiberglass stuck in your finger. Sometimes. See, that's nice and shiny looking. Much more uniform looking. Camera's just looking at the back of my hands, but I'm not making a movie here. It's just sort of fun. Okay, that's 2 bits. So I'll just do this cleanup right here, seeing as I'm already right here. Use a little bit of the white spirits. Oops, a little bit too much. And all we're gonna do, those as well. So, yep, the brush just gets into all the little corners. Very good. Okay, well, let's get these on. So we just want to fasten these like that. So it looks pretty good. Just get a variety of pliers. These are a flat one without any grip, just so it doesn't mark the outside. And we're going to do that. Nope, that's right, rubber's on. The other bit doesn't have to go on until after. That's it. Basically just squeezing it back down as it was. It's really heavy metal, these little plugs. So much stronger than new ones. There we go. And as for the bit on the insulation, well, that's not really gonna be squashed down all that much. This is probably another video of the back of my hand, as so many of them end up being. Okay, pretty happy with that. Put these things back on. Now we're going to give them a little bit of silicone. Just to reduce the corrosion inside. There we go. Glad these are all in one piece. It's the kind of thing that would just break up over time, but it's still in good order. Perfect. So we'll put them that way. It doesn't really matter which way these go. Right, that's another job done. Let's see if it works. Yep. I think I'll go out and get in my bike pants and boots, put my booster in the tank, and away we go. Was that?
When it goes to traffic lights after a rise.
Wow.
It's louder.
That is something, isn't it?
It stays like you can't go wrong. No, I've got to cool it down.
Jesus.
But it's not that hot.